set we have of now.
One of the finest.
About what the Grammy affair.
Batukoze bubi nnyo nno.
But next year tulina Gichima.
Joshua Baraka. Bannayuganda si bamufiiringa bokka. There was an interview going on.
Wow.
Tanzania eyo oyo omusajja bamuyita ye Ben owagondi Sauti Sol.
Wow.
And he was giving all praises about Joshua Baraka.
Credits. Wow.
Ngagana Africa ina guru dina itu afunya akana kana. And this is a very big titan in East Africa because oyo guy wa amanyi Sauti Sol.
By the time he recognizes our star biba bidala.
So Rio knows Rio. Kati
talent can recognize talent.
So katubalekere ne mbozi. Mujiwulirize.
Wagira Joshua Baraka kino kibalaga bana Uganda. Mulango mwana waffe alina talent tumwagirire.
Muwagire mumuwanike. People are commending him.
Balabale muwagira nga teffe twefudde ino.
Kata ino luyimba Morocco. Infinite tile no Morocco.
Katuli nasemba yo nga ne gundi agala dukola mu challenge Kadibi.
Morocco.
Of course.
Offset Kadibi.
Lwabatuuseeko dda. Basajja Kabaka Wangale, we love you so much. Mwebale kutulaba.
Yo, Joshua Baraka is my favorite musician right now in East Africa to look out for the world.
Same here.
He moves like a don. He puts himself in uncomfortable situations and he flourishes. I tell my artist friends that when you make money, when you collect money in this city all weekends and take yourself to London, take yourself to different spaces and take room in those spaces. You see, that's what Joshua does. He's not comfortable at hey,
Uganda, yeah.
Because I'm a show every weekend. Yeah, anajipeleka ma place watu wamjui. Joshua opened for me on tour and he opened for me every night. People didn't know him, some people knew him, but everybody who didn't know him left being a fan. Wow. And his comedy is better than his music.
Bro, we love having Joshua here, bro.
Boys to boys. That nigga is hilarious.
Yeah, he is so funny.
Joshua Baraka is a funny human being. Yeah.
I think it was nice to see him open for you and then go back for his own tour.
Yeah, and also like, you know, I've been telling my brothers, man, you know, like that Europe circuit, you can cultivate it for yourself. And Joshua has done exactly what so like he's taken the formula, done it for himself.
Yeah.
And you saw how big his shows are now.
Yeah. Shout out to Joshua, man.
Shout out to Joshua. My favorite Kenyan artist, by the way.